Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 1, 2023. Four star Sudoku. Column C, column D, and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 will come in other cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 2. And 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, column G, 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 9. And column E, also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 2. 7th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Fourth row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then the first grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 1. 10th row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 6th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 4, 5, 4, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then we can confirm 4 also here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. 8th row, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 9 and 7. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.